Hello guys, now I will show you this few of the slides, that is hookworm muscle tissue. Let's see the hookworm. See, I'm putting it right now. Let me see it first. Okay, this is how the hookworm looks from the microscope. Sorry, I cannot make my hands stable. Sorry for the inconvenience. This is the hookworm. These are tissue muscles. These are muscle tissue. I'll show you some more slides. Okay, this is the nerve cell. Okay, this is blue in color. Okay, this is a very thin muscle. Let me see it first. This is the nerve tissue. Let me decrease the light.
नाही चांगलं नाही वाटत मला ते काय मी एवढ्या फोन करते हो मुद्दा खाऊ खातो असं असं करायला लागतं डिपार्टमेंटचं आहे
Now you can see it. This is the nerve tissue. Do you like it, guys? Thank you.